the real buzzword is protecting your IP, your intellectual property. Why is that important, and what's all the things that are involved in that?
I'll have to speak generally about that because I don't pretend to be an intellectual property expert, but there are ways that individuals, companies, entities of one kind or another can protect the product of their minds, protect whether it's the written word, whether it's a logo, whether it's a graphic of some kind, a trademark. There are ways to protect those things, and the mirror of that is there's ways to make sure that you don't intrude on the rights of somebody else to things that they've protected. And if those things have value or may in the future have value as a way of promoting a business or maybe the idea itself, those are worth exploring how to protect, evaluating the cost of doing so, and comparing that cost with the benefit of doing so. Whether it's a patent for a thing, a copyright for text, and a trademark. So when I counsel with clients or speak at sessions such as this, I suggest to people that if you're going to be developing something that is you believe unique to your business, again, logo, trademark, for example, the name, if that's something that you're going to put real money into promoting, developing media, developing graphics, developing paperwork, letterhead manuals, etc., think about whether you want to, number one, make sure somebody else isn't using it first, and there are searches that are possible in that regard. And then do some things, if you're satisfied nobody else is using it, then do some things to appropriately register it. Filing your name with the state of Michigan, as you have to form the entity, is part of that process, but it's not the end of that process.
Right.
And very simplistically stated, first in time is first in right with respect to the use of a name, a graphic, a logo, trademark, service mark, etc. But there are things that by appropriately registering it at various state and federal levels put the owner of that right, that intellectual property, in a position to be able to not only demand of others that they stop, but increase the ability to not only win the case, but perhaps get costs and attorney's fees
Right.
for having to fight about it.